Because I haven't played it in so long. DS version on top. Yes! Me and Ruby yesterday when we were in VC, we were like talking about the DS's and stuff, how Ruby's got a Nintendo 3DS. I still have my DSi and it still works. And I love playing on it. I didn't mean to punch you, honey. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I just punched the rat! I just punched the fucking rat! Sorry! Sorry, Ratty! Oops. I love how Batman's just a little vandal in this, look. Just fucking destroying benches and lampposts. It's like, fuck your seating. Fuck your lights. Oh, shush, I'm fighting. I will take my meds in a minute. Goodbye. Oh my god, I just killed the rats by accident. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry, ratties. I was supposed to hit the bins. Not the ratties. I am so sorry. I feel really bad now. I just keep hitting Dick by accident. That's Tim Drake. No, I swear it's Dick. I swear you got Nightwing in the next one, but I swear that doesn't that jump? I don't care. I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna say he's Dick. That's Tim. Fuck. Oh, I wanted it to be Dick. Nightwing is in this game. Wait, what? I never got that far. I never got that far in this game. I did not know Nightwing was in this. He's an unlockable character. What? Oh my god. Okay, that's just made me even happier. Bomb. You're gonna have it, Basil. Oh, I sent him flying! I did not mean to do that. They're just people walking. Lady! Oops. Sorry, Tim. Lady? What is wrong with you? Lady, you do not want to be here. Thank you. It's the clanging. It's like ding, 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 ding. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Go away! Fuck off. I don't know why it's so funny with the clanging. What's that? Why? Oh my god, it's Batman driving an ice cream van. Fucking Tim's just like, I want ice cream! Give me ice cream! Thanking you. Okay, what do we do? Oh my god. Ah! Shit! Not again! No! Right. I wasn't even playing as Batman at that point, and he just still. Fucking. Okay. Get out of here. Go away. Why is everybody after me? No, freeze. Get Batman. He's the main guy. Stop it. I don't make a tasty ice cube. Oh, I just accidentally shot that as well. I'm not a tasty... Fuck off. Leave me alone. Fucking Little Shop of Horrors right there. Oh god, I killed myself doing that. Whoops. Alright. We're jumping straight into the city of Lego Gotham. Which should fucking hurt because Lego absolutely fucking hurts when you stand on it. Bat signal, we must go! With such vigour and grace, apparently. There's the ratties. Shit! I just punched a rat! Sorry, ratty! Oh, it's so bad. I always, like, accidentally end up fucking punching the ratties, and I don't mean to, I promise. And these ones. I was like, destroying all this shit makes me think about how much shit superheroes actually destroy in, like, film and games and TV. Like, think about the cost after a fight. Like, the cost that the city's going to need to, like... Ah, I fell down. And the bin. Can't forget the bin. Oh my god, it's so funny the amount of times, like... It was so funny because I was saying to my co-workers yesterday, because, I did a split shift at work yesterday, and the morning was really stressful. Had quite a few nasty customers. And, which is a given for a Sunday morning. It's probably the reason why I probably don't do many Sunday mornings either anymore. And I was just like, right, do you know what? Give me a second, guys. This was after I had a nasty customer. I was like, give me a second. I'm just going to go outside and go kick a bin. Why is it so satisfying to kick bins? Just the sound of kicking a bin is, I don't know, like a wheelie bin. I'm not too sure how to get up here. What are these Uh-oh. I am so sorry, rats. That's just gonna blow up on its own, isn't it? I am so sorry! Oh, one survived? Okay, I'm sorry I killed your boyfriend. I don't know, maybe he was cheating on you, so maybe it was deserved. That is a joke. I'm not telling anyone to fucking kill their boyfriends or girlfriends if they cheat on them. No! Excuse you? Get out of here. Where the fuck did you guys come from? I go vroom vroom. Did any other British kids watch that old show called Brum? Because I watched that shit religiously when I was a kid. And I mainly remember the episode with the dog that got stuck in a, like, construction pit. And Brum used, like, a sausage to get him out. I love how there's a woman! What? Woman? No, that's exact... What? Woman! What are you doing? This woman, yeah, You're crying, love, but you're the one who just walked into a massive fight. Lady, you're gonna want to move. That was your own stupid fault. Alright, Tim, calm your tatters. I love how when I did my first playthrough of this, I kept thinking that was Dick, and I was like, no! I don't know if Dick's in this. I think he's in the second one, but I don't think he's in this one. I think